Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education, and once again we are into our Smart English program and today we are going to frame some sentences, right? So आपको English में ही सिर्फ sentences बोलने हैं और उसके dialogues बनाने हैं. There is going to be a meeting tomorrow. Like, is there going to be a meeting tomorrow? Yes, there is going to be a meeting tomorrow. No, there is not going to be a meeting tomorrow. When is there a meeting? राइट तो अभी आपको सेकेंड और ये सारे बाकी के डायलॉग्स खुद से बनाने हैं. यू हैव टू क्रिएट द डायलॉग्स ऑफ द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस एंड ऑल द सेंटेंसेस. देयर हैज बीन अ क्राउड इन द मार्केट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. There should be no shortage of oil. There can be good education in India. There should be spread of knowledge. There should be no difficulty. There should be happiness in our life. There should be greenery everywhere. There can be a new garden in this place. There will be many people in the party. We want that there should be a party tomorrow. All want that there should be a temple here. There has been discrimination between black people. There are so many difficult questions in the books. There is no hurry. May there be spread of education in India. May there be happiness in every heart. Right, so you have to create the sentences. Passive B3 sing English like a song. You teach English. Right, so there is a sentence. You teach English. So let English be taught by you. Should English be taught by me? Yes. Let English be taught by you. No, don't let English be taught. In which manner should we let English be taught? Let teacher teach English. Let English be taught by teacher. Should English be taught by teacher? Yes, let English be taught. No, don't let English be taught. ये भी चलेगा या by teacher ये भी चलेगा. How should English be taught? Teacher teaches English. English is taught by teacher. Is English taught by teacher? Yes, English is taught by teacher. No, English is not taught by teacher. How is English taught by teacher? Teacher used to teach English. English used to be taught by teacher. Is English taught by teacher? Yes, English is taught by teacher. But now English is not taught by teacher. How English was taught by teacher? Teacher is teaching English. English is being taught by teacher. Is English being taught by teacher? Yes, English is being taught by teacher. No, English is not being taught by teacher. Which teacher is English being taught? Teacher was teaching English. English was being taught by teacher. Were English being taught by teacher? Yes, English was being taught by teacher. No, English was not being taught by teacher. Which teacher was being taught English? Teacher taught English. English was taught by teacher. Was English taught by teacher? Yes, English taught by teacher. Yes, English was taught by teacher. No, English was not taught by teacher. How English was taught by teacher? Teacher has taught English. English has been taught by teacher. Has English been taught by teacher? Yes, English has been taught by teacher. No, English has not been taught by teacher. From when English has been taught by teacher? Teacher had taught English. English had been taught by teacher. Had English been taught by teacher? Yes, English had been taught by teacher. Yeah, were taught by teacher. No, English had not been taught by teacher. How English had been taught by teacher? English will be taught by teacher. Will English be taught by teacher? Yes, English will be taught by teacher. No, English will not be taught by teacher. How English will be taught by teacher? Teacher can teach English. English can be taught by teacher. Can English be taught by teacher? Yes, English can be taught by teacher. No, English cannot be taught by teacher. How English can be taught by teacher? Teacher may teach English. English may be taught by teacher. Will English be taught by teacher? Yes, English may be taught by teacher. No, English may not be taught by teacher. How English may be taught by teacher? Teacher should teach English. English should be taught by teacher. Should English be taught by teacher? Yes, English should be taught by teacher. No, English should not be taught by teacher. How English should be taught by teacher? Teacher want to teach English. I want English to be taught. Do you want English to be taught? Yes, I want English to be taught. No, I do not want English to be taught. Why do you want English to be taught? Teacher has to teach English. English has to be taught. Has English to be taught? Yes, English has to be taught. No, English has not to be taught. How has English to be taught? Teacher has been teaching English. English has been taught since 1930. Has English been taught since 1930? Yes, English has been taught since 1930. No, English has not been taught since 1930. From when English has been taught? Teacher has to teach English. Teacher has to be taught. Has English has to be taught? Yes, English has to be taught. No, English has not to be taught. How has English to be taught? Teacher has been teaching English. English has been taught since 1930. Has English been taught since 1930? Yes, English has been taught since 1930. No, English has not been taught since 1930. From when English has been taught? Teacher had been teaching English. English is going to be taught. Is English going to be taught? Yes, English is going to be taught. No, English is not going to be taught. When English is going to be taught? My teacher teaches English. May teacher teach English? May English be taught? Do you wish English should be taught? Yes, I wish English should be taught. No, I do not wish should English should be taught. Why do you wish English should be taught? If English would be taught, if I would English be taught. Right, so this way, like we have created, we have learned how to translate the sentences from active to passive sentences, right? So hope ki you understood everything and you have repeated so many sentences and you learned so many sentences, right? So keep improving, keep learning. All the best.